So people always ask me, when are you ready to get a sourcing agent? Like, people reach out to me, I'm doing 5 orders per day. Can you please help me with the sourcing agent? No, you want to wait until you're sort of doing 30 to 50 orders plus before getting a sourcing agent, because when you go ahead and work with a sourcing agent, you're gonna have to send them money to buy them all the product in bulk. So you're gonna have to drop at least like $2,000 just to have the product arrive at the agent's place for them to go ahead and ship it out, etc. So it would be a waste of money for it to spend $2,000 and the product just die out, because when you're only making 5 to 10 orders per day, that's not consistent enough for it to go ahead and invest something like $2,000 into buying the product in bulk. Obviously the cost of goods will be way cheaper because you bought in bulk, and the shipping costs will be way cheaper because you're working with an agent, and your shipping times will be way faster, but all those things wouldn't matter if your product died out. So here's a free segment from my program telling you guys when you're ready to start working with a sourcing agent.
Is that something I should even be considered in this time, or should I really just leave it down to when the product is 100% like a winner and it's time to really scale after the whole coronavirus situation?
That scenario. When you have something that is a winner, it's scaling, you're getting consistent orders. As you're increasing the budget, you're just getting more orders, and as you're horizontally scaling, all these new assets are killing it, then you go ahead and look for an agent.
Okay, so yeah, that's something I should definitely consider soon in the future when we know the product is definitely proven.
Exactly. As you can see, straight to the point answer. This is definitely something a lot of people ask, and I think this segment is highly relatable to everyone that's sort of getting to that phase. They think they might need a sourcing agent, they want to get out of AliExpress. No, AliExpress is very good. Like, AliExpress is only getting better over time, so you definitely want to stick to AliExpress for a decent amount of time before you switch over to a sourcing agent. But yeah, question of the day, have you worked with a sourcing agent?